So here your first question. First question, skeleton of human body is made up of? Write the answer in chat. Very good, Manya. So you will check your answer also. It is correct or not. I am showing you the correct answer. This is the correct answer, bones and cartilage. Explanation is, bones and cartilage form the skeleton of human body. Now next question, question number 2. Human skeleton comprises. Give the answer in chat. And write question number. For example, if question number 2 answer is C, तो write 2C like this. Don't write the word. वो समझ में आ जाएगा मुझे. So write 2C. Human skeleton comprises. Okay, Tirth has given the answer. Very good. और कोई? ओके, वंशिका ने भी दिया है. हम देखते हैं करेक्ट आंसर इसका क्या है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज, oh, it is D and D is missing here. So leave it. हम इस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ते हैं. Next question. Fixed joints are found in lower jaws, skull, hands, hip bone. Third answer. What is the third answer? Okay, Manya has given the answer. Let's wait for others. Tirth, only write the option. No need to write whole word. सिर्फ आपने ऑप्शन लिखना है. ओके, Manya, yes, good. First, Manya has given the answer. Fixed joints are found in. Let's see the answer. It is B, skull. Manya is correct. Very good. Question number 4. Knee joints are hind joints, ball and socket joints, pivotal joints and fixed joints. What are knee joints are? Good, Tirth. Very good. Those who are participating, those who are giving the answer, they are present for me today. आज जो आंसर लिखेगा अटेंडेंस उसी के हिसाब से होगी. जो आंसर्स दे रहे हैं, they are present. And don't give the wrong answer and only give your answer in a single note. आप बार बार नहीं दीजिएगा कि कोई ए दे रहा, फिर बी दे रहा, फिर सी दे रहा, फिर डी दे रहा. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So let's check the answer. I have got the answer from Manya, Tirth Mehta, Kushal, Adi, Vanshika. The answer is A, knee joints. Fifth, fish swims by forming loops alternately on the two sides of the body, forming loops on single side, somersaulting, alternate dipping and coming up. Fifth B, Manya ने आंसर दे दिए हैं. Very good Manya. Arihant Jain, yes. Kushal Parak. Okay, okay. Kushal Tirth Mehta, yes. Let's see. The correct option is A. Question number C. Question number 6. Which of the following is a character of bird? Strong muscles, long bones, hollow bones, all of these. Strong muscles, light bones, hollow bones, all of these. Okay, B, Vanshika has given the answer. Manya, Adi Jain. Yes, let's check. It's D, all of these. So Kushal and Adi is correct here. 7th question. In cockroaches, the body parts helping in movement are. The body parts helping in movement are three pairs of legs and two pairs of wings, two pair of legs and two pairs of wings, two pair of legs and three pairs of wings. Manya, okay, Tirth, Nimisha, Vanshika. See, in cockroaches, the body parts helping in movement. कैसे help करता है उसको body parts? Three pair of legs and two pair of wings is the correct answer. Muscular foot in a locomotory organ in, जिसमें muscular foot होता है snakes, earthworm, housefly and snails. Okay, Tirth and Tirth, Baradia, Mehta, both the Tirths, Arihant, Kushal, Vanshika. Yes, let's see. The correct answer is snakes. With the help of muscles, ribs, scales, snake move from one place to another place. So Kushal is correct here. The organ that protects the main nerve cord is skull, backbone, breastbone, chest bone. Main nerve cord. Okay, two students have given the answer. दो both the Tirth, Vanshika, Kushal, Arihant. देखते हैं किसका ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. ए ऑप्शन, मान्या, वंशिका, तीर्थ बरड़िया and Tirth Mehta also. Yes, very good. Question number 10. The number of cervical vertebrae in man is 10, 5, 7, 8. Let's see the answer. It is 7. 7 cervical vertebrae are found in neck region. Okay, so now you have this match the column. I am giving you 5 minutes to match it properly and give the answer all together. सारे आंसर्स आपको एक साथ देने हैं, ठीक है? And no need to write whole sentence. A के साथ which option is correct? A, then the correct option. B, then the correct option. ऐसे आपको लिखना है and then submit fast. First is snail. अरिहंत, तीर्थ, बेटा आपको आंसर एक एक करके नहीं भेजना है, पहले आप पूरा टाइप कर लीजिए फिर आप सेंड करिएगा एक साथ. ओके अरिहंत, तीर्थ आप भी सुन लीजिए बेटा, एक साथ टाइप करिए फिर भेजिएगा. And students, on your video, let me see that you are doing by your own. आप लोग खुद से कर रहे हैं. Please on your video. Kushal and Tirth, they are very good. They are doing by their own. Yes, very good. Sonu, both the Tirth I am observing. Yes, Cheshta, very good. Harsh, Adi, Arham, Deshna, Nimisha. What about the videos? On your video. Very good. Yes, 5 minutes. You have got to complete this match the column. Then send it to me. जल्दी जल्दी करिए. Okay, I have got the answer from Tirth. Very good, Tirth. You understood. ऐसे ही भेजना है. चाहत, प्लीज डोंट सेंड लाइक दिस. एक एक करके नहीं भेजना है. यस चाहत.
मैम एक साथ सेंड करेंगे तो मैम वो ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है मैम. फिर चैट्स में जाते हैं तो मैम फिर क्लिक करते हैं तो वो रब हो जाता है मैम.
यस तीर्थ. तीर्थ मेहता.
मैम चैट में मैं सेंड किया वो सही है ना?
Yes, Tirth. Now speak. Tirth. Okay. Tirth, mute yourself, beta. Yes, I have got your answer. Tirth Baralia answer. Kushal have given the answer. Now I am showing the answers. Those who are not writing, just see the answer. This is the correct answer. And these three students, they had sent me the answer. Very good. So A option is with 8th, B option is with 11th option, C option is with first. Yes, Tirth Mehta's answer is correct till now. D is with 5th, E is with 2nd, F is with X, 10th, G is with 3rd, H is with 6th, tendon 4th, joints 7th, and bone marrow 9. Excellent, Tirth. Tirth Mehta, very good. Baradia, Tirth Baradia, your some answers are wrong. Like A, you said 2nd, it is wrong. B, you said 3rd, wrong. C, you said 1st, it is correct. D, again 3rd, wrong. So in this way, your answer is wrong. So remember, always learn the things which are apart from the book, but it is inside the book, inside the topic. ये सारा टॉपिक आपके बुक का नहीं है, but it is the inside topic. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. This is the fill-ups. अब आपको one word में answer देना है. The body parts which are specialized to do important body activities. I called. Can anyone's guessing? Okay, Vanshika replied me. Acha, Tirth Baradia again, he replied me. Tirth, you are in the back question. Leave that. So let's see the answer if you don't know. The correct answer is organ. Very good, Vanshika. Next question. The organs are made of many kinds of cells and tissues. Very good, Tirth. A group of similar dash with same kind of function is called a tissue. What is that? Okay, very good. It is cell. An organ, though composed of different kinds of tissues, works as an organ composed of different kinds of tissue work as a, okay, Vanshika said unit. Yes. Vanshika, you are writing this answer very nicely. What you were doing at the time of match the columns, आपने मुझे एक भी आंसर नहीं दिया मैच द कॉलम में, और आप फिलअप्स में फटाफट आंसर दे रहे हो. The organs which can be seen from dash are called external organs. The organs which can be seen from dash. Yes, Vanshika? आप सबसे पहले आंसर देते हो, जल्दी बताइए. Outside, okay. Yes, outside. Tirth is also giving the same answer. Manya is also. Tirth Mehta is outside, he said. And okay. Organ inside our body are called dash organs. Organ inside our body are called dash organs. Internal organ spelling is wrong. Kushal, it is orange. Internal. Red blood cells and some white blood cells are produced in the dash of the bone. Red blood cells and some white blood cells are produced in dash of the bones. It is bone marrow. Yes, Tirth, very good. 8th question. Our skeleton is made up of many pieces of dash and dash. Our skeleton is made up of many pieces of dash and dash. Okay, Tirth. Tirth Baradia, he has given the answer. अब मैं एक दो लोगों का और वेट करूंगी. अरिहंत ने आंसर दिया हुआ है. तीर्थ मेहता, मान्या, वंशिका. ओके, लेट्स चेक. It's bone and cartilage. Next, we can get photographs of bones by a machine called dash machine. Okay, Chahat. Only Chahat has given the answer. Vanshika, yes. X-ray. Lower jaws is dash. Lower jaws is dash. Okay, Tirth and both the Tirth have different answer. Movable. 11th, the backbone forms a bony tube. The backbone forms a bony tube. Okay, Tirth. Hollow. Tirth Mehta's answer is correct. Dash is the strongest and the longest bone in the body. Dash is the thigh bone. Tirth, that is the thigh bone is the longest bone. Backbone हमारी जो है वो joints में टूट मतलब जुड़ के बनी हुई है. ठीक है, थाई बोन में कोई जॉइंट नहीं है. आप अपने पैरों में जो थाई बोन देखोगे ना, उस पे कोई जॉइंट नहीं है. यस चाहत, फीमर इज द अदर नेम ऑफ FEMUR इज द अदर नेम ऑफ थाई बोन. 13th, the place where two or more bones meet together is called a dash. Let's see. Yes, joints. 14th, bodies of fishes are usually spindle shaped, and bodies of fish are usually spindle shaped. And okay, Vanshika replied. Tirth, Manya, they all have different answers, but let's check what will be the correct answer. Streamline. Tirth has given the answer slimmed and Manya has given the answer flexible. 14th, 15th. Place to place movement of animals is called place to place movement of animals is called. Okay, Tir. Yes, Vanshika. More replies. और भी बताइए कोई. तीर. आज फर्स्ट डे मुझे 2-3 बच्चों के नाम याद हो गए जो आंसर सबसे ज्यादा देते हैं. बोथ तीर्थ, वंशिका, कुशल, मान्या, अरिहंत, बस. चाहत. चाहत, आई थिंक यू आर कॉपिंग द आंसर इन द गूगल. और बहुत से लोग आंसर जो गूगल से टाइप करके मुझे फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं, मुझे सब समझ में आ रहा है. You know your exam is from first week of March. तो आप सोच लो कि आप लोगों को कैसे करना है. चाहत. चाहत, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. By mistake, I raised my hand.
Okay. Kushal.
मैम it's online ki offline?
It's up to the condition by the government, ये online या offline.
Because big
Yes, yes.
मैम
हाँ.
because ninth of day big brothers are going to VJV.
Which month? This month only?
Yes, ma'am.
9th Feb.
March.
Okay. So still we don't have any information related to the students coming to the school, but we have the information that your this upcoming March you have the exams, and it might be online or offline. I don't know, but that is the only thing I know. Okay. Yes. So the 15th answer is locomotion, and the 16th answer is dash and swans also swim in water. Okay, ducks. Now there is true false. Which question here? In which question you are confused? 16th. Here it is swan. Okay, so they swim on the top layer of the water. Duck also swim on the top layer. They are not inside the water. So if one example is given, swan also swim in water, then ultimately you will not write here fish. You will not write here octopus. They are the underwater animals. Swim की जब बात आती है तो आपको उसमें yes you can write turtle, but आपको swan is a bird. No students, I am not new here. I am taking classes from 7th to 10th biology. Today physics, your physics sir is having some other class. So that's why I am taking your class. Okay, Kushal. Now let's move to the next question, the true false. The bones are soft while the cartilage are hard. Is it true? Vanshika said the answer. Chahat replied, Manya, yes, girls power. Tirth replied, yes, Tirth Baradia replied, yes, it is false. Next, skeleton system gives the body support and protects inner organs. Okay, Arihant, Vanshika, Manya, yes, Tirth, yes. Doctors use X-ray films to examine the injuries of bones. Doctors use X-ray films to examine the injuries of bones. Yes, true. Fourth question. The bones of cranium are flat and held firmly like a zipper. And students, please write the number, question number, okay? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मुझे कि आप किसका आंसर दे रहे हो. Okay, fourth answer. Yes, true. Upper jaw is movable. Upper jaw is movable. Okay, false. 5 vertebrae of hip and 4 vertebrae of tail are fused. 5 vertebrae of hip and 4 vertebrae of tail. Let's check it is correct or not. Yes, it's true. Bones in the foot are normally set in an arc. Bones on the foot are normally set in an arc. Okay, yes, true. 8. A human body is born with about 206 bones. Is born with, na? Is born with 206 bones. False. 9. Yes, Chahat. There are more than 206 bones when we are getting birth. After that, when we are going to be adult, उस समय हमारे 206 bones हो जाते हैं. There are air sacs connected with the lungs in birds. There are air sacs connected with the lungs in birds. Okay, true. Locomotion in a snake is like swimming on land. See, very interesting question. Locomotion in a snake is like swimming on land. Yes, true. Very good. Muscular foot in snail is a part of its belly. Muscular foot in snail is a part of its belly. Okay. It is true. Belly is the stomach part. पेट के वाला हिस्सा जो कहलाता है, that is the belly. And 12th, the bones are moved by simultaneously contraction and relaxation of 2 sets of muscles. The bones are moved by simultaneous contraction and relaxation of 2 sets of muscles. Okay, very good. It is false. बहुत से लोगों ने correct answer भी दिया है मुझे. All the joints in our body are similar. All the joints in our body are similar. No. Cockroaches cannot walk. Cockroaches cannot walk. Yes, it is false. And the last question, the minute movable bristles in earthworm help in gripping the ground. The minute movable bristles in earthworm help in gripping the ground. Yes, it's true. So here your all objectives completed. Can anyone want to try this again? Can anyone want to try this again? Even I had shown the answer, but still I want the reply. Kushal, yes, you give the answer this. Type it and give it fast. You have 5 minutes. I'm not asking I am not requesting, I am ordering everyone to write this and then give it to me again. Not like this, Vanshika. सब एक साथ type करिए, then you send it. Give this me in 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes again. I have got the correct answer only from Tirth Mehta. Okay, students. So this is your homework. I will ask again same question. Especially this question from you people in my next period. Any doubt to anyone? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Any doubt, students? Yes, Kushal. Yes, Kushal. Bye, Vanshika. Kushal, where were you? Yes. You want to say something, Kushal? कुछ बोलना है आपने? Okay. So now, can I close the meeting? Okay. Bye.